Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Tiana with this blue outfit and dress to impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this 3 hairstyles and then you're going to color it with this dark brown color for all the selection. And you're going to put on this crown from the cards item and select toggle 2, and then you're going to color it like this. And then you're going to do little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. And put on this necklace. Make it this color for the first selection, and this color for the second selection and the third selection. Alright, and put on this heels. Make it this blue color for the first selection and also the second selection. And go to the changing room. From here, I'm going to go to the cards item, and I'm going to put on this Sabrina Carpenter dress, and then we're going to color it with this blue color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, you're going to change the material to glitter, and we're going to we're going to go to this menu. And I'm going to choose this item, and I'm going to remove the kiss. Okay, and for the color, I'm just going to make it the same color for the first selection. Okay, and the second selection, for the second selection guys, I'm just going to make it white, and then we're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, done. And I'm going to move to the next area. For the next area, I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area, and we're gonna put on this item, this skirt. And for this skirt, I'm going to make it blue for the first selection and also the second selection, and then again we're going to make it glitter. Alright, and I'm going to combine it with the skirt as well, and again make it blue color for the first selection and also the second selection. Alright, like this. And sorry guys, I'm gonna go back to the changing room. I forgot item from there. Okay, go to this menu and you're going to put on this skirt. And I'm going to make it a toggle. Okay, choose toggle 5, and then you're going to color it with this color for the first selection until the last selection. And then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, like this, and then we're gonna make it glitter. Alright, and I'm going to put on this doll. I want to consider it as the frog, and I'm going to make it toggle 2, and for this one I'm going to color it with this color, and for the next selection I'm going to make it brown. Okay, this brown color. Okay, and then the last one I'm going to put on the gloves. It's from here, and remove the fur. Okay, and I'm going to make it this color. I'm gonna make it this color and change the material to glitter. Okay, this is for the color cut guys. Alright, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Princess Tiana in this blue outfit and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!